Now let us look at the third example, example 3.2.3. Show that the line y equals to 6x minus 13 is tangent to the curve y is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12, and find the coordinates of the point at which the line touches the curve. There are two things we need to do. First, we need to show that the line is tangent to the curve, and then we need to find the coordinates of the point where the line touches the curve. We are given two equations. The first one, y is equal to 6x minus 13. We let it be equation 1. And the second equation, y is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12. We let it be equation 2. Both equations have y as their subject. Hence, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. 6x minus 13 is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12. We rearrange the equation. X squared plus 4x minus 6x minus 12 plus 13 is equal to 0. We simplify the equation. X squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Our A coefficient for this equation is 1, B is equal to negative 2, and C is equal to 1. In order to show that the line is tangent to the curve, we need to prove that the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. b squared minus 4ac, we substitute all the values of a, b, c into this discriminant. Negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 is equal to negative and negative, we get a positive. 2 squared, we get a 4. 4 times 1 times 1 is a 4. 4 minus 4, we get 0. We obtain a 0 for our discriminant. Therefore, the line is tangent to the curve. Then we are asked to find the coordinates of the point where the line touches the curve. That means we need to continue solve for the equation. X squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We factorize the equation. X squared, there's only one combination, x and x. 1, there's only one combination, 1 and 1. In order to get a negative 2x, we minus 1x, minus 1x. And we let the equation become 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. We will only obtain one x value for our quadratic equation because we already proved that the line is tangent to the curve. We continue to find our y value. We substitute x equal to 1 into equation 1. You can choose either equation 1 or equation 2. Y is equal to 6 times 1 minus 13, which is equal to 6 minus 13. And we get y is equal to negative 7. Therefore, the coordinates of the point at which the line touches the curve is 1, negative 7. Now let us look at some application of simultaneous equation. Example 3.2.4. The perimeter of the right angle triangle is 30 cm. Find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. We are given that the perimeter is equal to 30, which means 3x plus 1 plus 2x plus 4 plus y is equal to 30. We simplify the equation. 5x plus 5 plus y is equal to 30. Then I will make y our subject. Y is equal to 30 minus 5 minus 5x. That is, y is equal to 25 minus 5x. This is our first equation. We are also told that it is a right-angled triangle. Hence, we can apply Pythagoras theorem on this triangle. Y square plus 2x plus 4 square is equal to 3x plus 1 square. In case if you've forgotten, if this is the triangle and this is A, B and C, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Then we need to expand this equation. Y square plus 4x square plus 16x plus 16 is equal to 9x square plus 6x plus 1. We simplify the equation. First, we bring all the terms to the left side. Y square plus 4x square minus 9x square plus 16x minus 6x plus 16 minus 1 is equal to 0. Y square minus 5x square plus 10x plus 15 is equal to 0. We let it be equation 2. Then we substitute equation 1 into equation 2. 25 minus 5x square minus 5x square plus 10x plus 15 is equal to 0. We expand the bracket. 625 minus 250x plus 25x square minus 5x square plus 10x plus 15 is equal to 0. Then we further simplify it. 20x square minus 240x plus 640 is equal to 0. We divide the whole equation by 20. X square minus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. Then we need to factorize this quadratic equation. X square, it can only be x and x. 32, it can be 1 times 32, 2 times 16, or 4 times 8. We need to get a negative 12x. Hence, we will choose this combination. 4 and 8. In order to get a negative 12, minus 4x minus 8x. And we need to check negative and negative, we will get a positive. In order for the equation to become 0, is either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. For x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. And for the case x minus 8 is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. After that, don't forget to find our y. We substitute x equals to 4 into equation 1. Y is equal to 25 minus 5 times 4, which is 25 minus 20. Y is equal to 5. For the second x value, substitute x equals to 8 into equation 1 as well. Y is equal to 25 minus 5 times 8, that is 25 minus 40, and we get y is negative 15. For this question, both our x and y are the length of the side. Hence, we do not accept negative value. So for this example, our x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. X equal to 8 is not accepted because it comes in pair with y is equal to negative 15. Last example, example 3.2.5. The diagram below shows the plan of a rectangular room. A rectangular carpet is to be placed with a distance of 1 meter from the wall of the room. The area and the perimeter of the carpets are 8.75 meters square and 12 meter respectively. Find the length and the width in meters of the room. We are given the area and the perimeter of the carpet that are 8.75 meters square and 12 meter respectively. We are asked to find the length and the width of the room. First, we need to assign the variables. We let x be the length of the room and y be the width of the room. So this is the length and this is the width. The area of the carpet is equal to 8.75. The area of the carpet is x minus 2 multiplied with y minus 2 because it is 1 meter from each side of the wall. Hence, we need to minus 2 for the length and the width. And it is equal to 8.75. We expand the bracket. Xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 8.75. Xy minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 8.75 minus 4. That is, xy minus 2x minus 2y is equal to 4.75. We let it be equation 1. We are also told that the perimeter is 12 meter. Perimeter is equal to 12. The length of the perimeter is x minus 2. We have 2 of them. And the width of the perimeter is y minus 2. We have 2 of them. And the total is 12. We expand the bracket. 2x minus 4 plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 12. We rearrange the equation. 2x plus 2y is equal to 12 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 20. We further simplify the equation by dividing 2. X plus y is equal to 10. And we make x our subject. X is equal to 10 minus y. We let it be equation 2. We continue solve for our simultaneous equations. Substitute equation 2 into equation 1. 10 minus y multiplied with y minus 2 multiplied with 10 minus y minus 2y is equal to 4.75. We expand the bracket. Then y minus y squared minus 20 plus 2y minus 2y minus 4.75 is equal to 0. We simplify the equation. Minus y squared 10y plus 2y minus 2y. We have plus 10y minus 20 minus 4.75. We have minus 24.75 is equal to 0. Then we further simplify the equation by dividing negative 4. 4y squared minus 40y plus 99 is equal to 0. We factorize the equation. 4 can be 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. 99 can be 1 times 99, 3 times 33, or 9 times 11. We need to get a negative 40y. Let's try an error. If it is too difficult, you can always use formula to find for the y. Our a coefficient is 4, b is negative 40, and c is 99. Y is equal to negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Simplify the equation, we will get 40 plus minus square root 16 over 8, which is 40 plus minus 4 over 8. Hence, our y is equal to 40 plus 4 over 8, or y is equal to 40 minus 4 over 8. For the first case, we get 44 over 8, which is 11 over 2. And for the second case, we get 36 over 8, which is 9 over 2. Don't forget about our x. Substitute y equals to 11 over 2 into equation 2. X is equal to 10 minus 11 over 2, which is equal to 20 minus 11 over 2. We get 9 over 2. We do the same for y equals to 9 over 2. We substitute y equals to 9 over 2 into equation 2 as well. X is equal to 10 minus 9 over 2, which is 20 minus 9 over 2. We get 11 over 2. We obtain positive values for all our x and y. According to the diagram, the length is longer than the width. We assign the variable x for our length. Therefore, we accept this answer. The length is equal to 11 over 2 cm, and the width is equal to 9 over 2 cm. For the next section, we will discuss more questions on simultaneous equation involving one linear equation and one non-linear equation. You may try the questions and see how much you understand about this topic. In the next video, a detailed solution will be given. Good luck in trying the questions. See you again in the next video.